Ever wondered how a single word can unlock millions of opportunities? Welcome to the world of seed keywords. Seed keywords are the foundation of keyword research, often just one or two words, but they hold immense power. Imagine running an online store selling laptops. Your seed keywords could be laptop, ultrabook, or notebook. These simple terms can generate millions of other keyword ideas. From questions like, what is the best laptop? To long-tail keywords like, best laptop for freelance writers. But the magic doesn't stop there. You can even find related keywords that don't contain the seed keyword, like Dell computers or computers near me. Building a list of relevant seed keywords helps you identify subtopics and create topic clusters for your website. To find these golden keywords, start by studying your competitors. Tools like Ahrefs can reveal the keywords they rank for. Filter for one or two word keywords with high search volume to uncover the most valuable seed keywords. Don't forget to check your own website's performance using Google Search Console to find potential seed keywords. Explore Google's related searches and the People Also Ask box, and dive into forums and Q&A websites to discover how people talk about your industry. Seed keywords are short-tailed, usually one or two word keywords that lie at the basis of keyword research.